We all want happy, healthy chickens. Seeing them roam freely, pecking at the ground and clucking contentedly is a joy for any farmer or backyard poultry keeper. Their well-being is a reflection of the care and environment we provide for them. However, sometimes, despite our best efforts, our feathered friends get coughs, colds, or have trouble breathing. These symptoms can be worrying and may indicate respiratory issues or other health problems that need attention. It's tough to see them under the weather. As caretakers, we feel a sense of responsibility and concern when our chickens aren't their usual lively selves. Their lethargy and discomfort can be distressing, prompting us to seek immediate solutions. Many folks use store-bought medicines. These products are often effective and can provide quick relief. However, they can also be expensive and may contain chemicals that some prefer to avoid. But did you know nature provides powerful remedies too? Natural ingredients have been used for centuries to treat various ailments in both humans and animals. They offer a holistic approach to health, promoting overall well-being without the side effects of synthetic drugs. Organic solutions are gentle on your birds and easy on the wallet. They harness the healing properties of plants and other natural substances, making them a sustainable and eco-friendly choice. Plus, preparing these remedies can be a rewarding and educational experience. Plus, they use ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Common items like onions, garlic, ginger, lime and honey are not only culinary staples, but also potent natural healers. These ingredients are readily available and can be easily incorporated into your flock's care routine. Let's learn how to make a natural remedy with onions, which are known for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Onions can help clear respiratory passages and boost the immune system. Garlic, which is a powerful natural antibiotic and antiviral agent. Ginger, which soothes and reduces inflammation. Lime, which provides vitamin C and acts as an antioxidant. And honey, which has antimicrobial properties and soothes the throat. Together, these ingredients create a potent remedy that can help alleviate respiratory issues and support overall health. It's a farmer-approved way to support your flock's health. By using natural remedies, you can ensure your chickens stay healthy and happy without relying on synthetic medications. This approach not only benefits your birds, but also promotes a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way of farming. So next time your chickens show signs of illness, consider turning to nature's pharmacy for a gentle and effective solution. Onions and garlic are well known for their germ-fighting powers. These humble kitchen staples have been used for centuries in traditional medicine across various cultures. Onions, with their rich sulfur compounds, and garlic packed with allicin, are not just flavor enhancers, but potent, natural antibiotics. They can help ward off infections and keep your immune system robust. When you chop or crush these ingredients, they release their active compounds, making them even more effective. They can help clear up those nasty coughs and colds by breaking down mucus and making it easier to expel. Imagine the relief of breathing freely again thanks to these powerful allies. Ginger is a wonder root. This knobby, aromatic root has been revered in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for its myriad health benefits. It's not just a spice, it's a powerhouse of medicinal properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps soothe sore throats and eases breathing problems. A warm cup of ginger tea can work wonders, providing comfort and relief. The warmth of the tea combined with the spiciness of ginger can help open up your airways, making it easier to breathe. Plus, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and irritation in your throat. Lime is a natural source of vitamin C, giving your birds an extra boost of immunity. This citrus fruit is not only refreshing, but also packed with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. And honey? It's a natural soother, calming those irritated throats and providing energy. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight off bacteria, while its soothing texture can coat the throat, providing instant relief from irritation. Plus, honey is a natural source of energy, giving you a quick boost when you need it most. Together, these ingredients make a powerful team to get your flock back to their happy, clucking selves. Imagine combining the germ-fighting powers of onions and garlic, the soothing properties of ginger, the immune-boosting benefits of lime, and the calming effects of honey. This natural remedy is not just effective, but also easy to prepare. Simply mix these ingredients and you have a potent elixir that can help your birds recover quickly. Whether it's a cold, a sore throat, or just a need for an immune boost, this combination has got you covered. So next time your flock is feeling under the weather, reach for these natural ingredients and watch them bounce back to health. Blending is the fastest way to make your remedy. Gather your ingredients: an onion, a few cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, a lime, and some honey. Peel and roughly chop the onion, garlic, and ginger. Squeeze the juice from the lime. Put everything into your blender with a spoonful of honey. Add a little water to help it blend smoothly. Blend until you have a smooth liquid. Your remedy is ready. Some folks prefer the boiling method. It takes a bit longer, but many believe it brings out the ingredients' goodness. Peel and roughly chop your onion, garlic, and ginger. Slice your lime. Put everything into a pot and cover with water. Bring to a boil, then turn the heat down and simmer for about 30 minutes. Strain the liquid and stir in a spoonful of honey. Let it cool completely before giving it to your chickens. Giving the right amount is important. Too much of a good thing can upset your birds' stomachs. For chicks, a few drops are enough. For adult birds, a teaspoon or two will do the trick. You can mix the remedy into their drinking water or offer it directly. Some chickens love the taste, others not so much. You can try dipping their beaks in or mixing it with a bit of their favourite treat. This remedy is safe for most chickens. It's a simple, natural solution that can help maintain the overall wellness of your flock. Chickens, like all animals, can benefit from a little extra care and attention, especially when it comes to their health. By using this remedy, you can help ensure that your chickens stay happy and healthy. However, it's always best to start with a small amount to see how your birds react. Every chicken is different, and what works for one may not work for another. By starting with a small dose, you can monitor your chickens for any adverse reactions and adjust the amount accordingly. This careful approach helps to ensure that your chickens receive the right amount of the remedy without any negative side effects. You can store the remedy in the fridge for up to a week. Keeping it refrigerated helps to preserve its potency and effectiveness. Make sure to label the jar with the date you made the remedy so you can keep track of its freshness. Proper storage is key to ensuring that the remedy remains safe and effective for your chickens. Just make sure to warm it up a bit before giving it to your chickens. Cold remedies can be a shock to their system, so gently warming the liquid to room temperature or slightly above can make it more palatable and easier for your chickens to consume. This small step can make a big difference in how well your chickens accept the remedy. Remember, this remedy is a natural way to support your flock's health. It can help boost their immune system, improve digestion, and promote overall well-being. Natural remedies are a great way to complement a healthy diet and proper care, providing your chickens with the extra support they need to thrive. It's not a substitute for proper veterinary care. While natural remedies can be beneficial, they should not replace regular checkups and professional medical advice. A vet can provide a comprehensive health plan tailored to your flock's specific needs, ensuring that any underlying health issues are addressed promptly and effectively. If your birds are seriously ill, always consult a vet. Early intervention is crucial in preventing minor issues from becoming major health problems. A vet can diagnose and treat illnesses that may not be apparent to the untrained eye, providing your chickens with the best possible care. By combining natural remedies with professional veterinary care, you can help ensure that your flock remains healthy and happy for years to come. Taking care of our animals is a rewarding experience. Using natural remedies is one way to show our feathered friends we care. This simple onion, garlic, ginger, lime and honey solution is easy to make and can help your flock feel better faster. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Your chickens will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and poultry care tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay tuned for more.